Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Lydia Tiaroktiana with name 4820101240019. I'm from the first class of the first class A pharmacy study program. I woke up and prepared myself to go to campus. This morning the weather was good, so we arrived at the Benua Kalimantan Botanical Gardens. Here we are introduced to the name of medical plants, introduced to microscopes, and much more. It's really exciting. After returning from the botanical gardens, I went around looking for food and got